Okay. Hi, I am Yogendra. Welcome to Navya Academy. Right. So this series was now started for speaking English. This is not a scripted. Okay. So I will only look for topics. Right. Without any hesitation and without any fear, I will talk to you without any grammatical. Okay. So my grammar was not okay, so I will speak with you as a friendly, and I will speak anything any of about English. Okay, so I will speak with you at English, but don't judge me as I will speak to you. So I'm not a fluent speaker, but I will try to speak absolutely better than average. Okay, so first of all, how to speak English. Okay, uh, in your mind, first of all, you can thought how to speak at how speak, right? So speak any languages, you can speak any languages. So don't be afraid to how to speak English like a perfect or a grammatical. Okay, if you are speaking any languages, you can correct with the grammar. Your Hindi is a perfect grammar. No, 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 right? That types of English you can speak, right? So first of all, our topic is why do we want to learn English. Why did you want to learn English? You want to learn English for anything special, or just like speak English? First of all, you have uh, any like motivation to speak English. Some person have a foreign visiting. Some person have to speak like at for interview, and anything else, whatever you want. First of all, you started with English, so you can have any motivation to speak at English, right? Okay, so English. Okay, so someone also have a increase for confidence, increasing confidence. That's why they are speaking English. So anyone have a is speaking for confidence also, right? Then and more things of so you can start it, and whatever you want to speak like me. Okay, so I'm not a fluent speaker, but I will try to speak English without hesitate. So you can don't judge me to grammar, you can judge me like how to speak at me, how how I speak. If you I'm started with Mumbai. I work with FTC. FTC Sunil Setty's office. That was to speak with South people. So South people does not speak at a fluent speak is fluent in English. That's why they are try to speak like me. So first of all, I try to I will small parts I can say like I am from. Okay, then who your name, that types of question I will asking them. Then then I will try to where are you from, tell me your address. That types of question I will ask them, and they reply to me. Then I will conversation started. So if you can speak English, no matter any matter, you can start speak with anyone, and you have a motivation for speaking. If you don't have a motivation for speaking, then you cannot learn not speak English. You can learn English, you can understand English, and everything you can understand, but you cannot speak. Speaking is a practice. Speaking is a just like you can start speaking. If you don't start speaking English, then you can not speak English. Okay, so that are more important, like. Okay, so my also English was not good, but I will try this topic. You can watch my other video. I will teach English in Hindi. Why? Because everyone speak Hindi, but this video, this series and this video is for I will speak English and I practice myself also to how to speaking with anyone, right? So I will this is also not a scripted, right? I will watch to you and I will speak with you. So you also try just like me. Okay, you can start with your introduction, you start with your daily routine, you start with your hobby, how to become anything, just like how to become a doctor, how to become a teacher, how to become a engineer. Just like you can practice them, then you can practice, then your sentences are improved, how to speak anyone, then you can your vocabulary are also improved. Okay, so you can start it just like me. Okay, so this video was too long. My speaking video was I will try to short, and my other video was too long, like a 30 minute and 20 minute, so you can watch also that video. Okay, so you can understand, it means you can understand English, but you can also speak at English, then you can speak like me. Okay, so I also have a um, just like I will speak with anyone, they also speak English, so I will also hesitate. Why? Because I will at my mind, uh, just like I'm not wrong with to speak with them, that's why I will not speak. But I uh, now my camera fear was gone, that's why I will try to on camera, but I'm not also speak with anyone fluent person that speak with me, I'm not also speak with them. Oh, right. Okay, so if you can understand and you can like my video, then subscribe my channel, and these types of content and this type of my speaking video, you can like it, then you can message me, I will try to make these types of video. Okay, so you can like my video, then subscribe my channel, like my channel, and don't forget to bell hit the bell icon. Okay, so this is my second video, second speaking English speaking video. So okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and okay, bye. I will visit to next video. Okay, thank you.